The PT Toolbox is designed to make your life as a coach easier. It is designed for you to streamline your business and to be able to have more time on your hands to actually train your clients, do marketing, client acquisition, client retention, you name it. The PT Toolbox currently consists of 3 items in the dashboard: TDEE calculator, 1RM calculator, and a strength ratio calculator. You go to the left-hand side of the homepage and click on Toolbox. It starts off with the TDEE and macro calculator. Select a client. Gender will already be specified. You select the activity level of the client. In this case, very active, and add a body fat level if you haven't done it already in the mobile app. Then what you see is the projected TDEE. Select the goal, in this case, a small deficit. The app will calculate a calorie target for you. You will need to specify the amount of protein you want this client to have. The protein in gram per day and calories per day will get calculated by the application, so you don't have to do it yourself. Specify fat intake in gram per kilograms of body weight. In this case, 1.45 grams of fat per kilogram body weight. The fat requirement in gram per day and calories per day will again be calculated by the app. The carbohydrates will be residual. The app automatically deducts the protein and fat from your total caloric needs and will then calculate the remaining calories towards your carbohydrate goal. You'll see a nice overview in a pie chart. We have a total of 3,200 calories, 182 grams of protein, 113 grams of fats, 364 grams of carbohydrates. Click Save, and the targets will be saved for your client. Next up, the RM calculator. You specify the load used for an exercise, in this case 97.5 kilo. Then specify the amount of reps you've done. 3 reps equals 90% of your repetition max, and your estimated 1 rep max would be 108.33 kilograms. For every rep target for that specific exercise, you now have the weights which your client needs to use in order to actually work on that repetition max. Next step, strength ratios. Specify the amount of weight for your estimated 1 rep max on the back squat, the front squat, the conventional deadlift, and the split squat. Then for the upper body, specify your estimated 1 rep max for the bench press, the overhead press, and the incline press. Then for the dip and chin up, fill in your estimated 1 rep max, which is body weight plus the added weights you use in your workout. Press Calculate Strength Ratios. Now the app calculates your strength ratios and the ideal load for each given exercise. As you can see in the lower body exercises, orange means that both front squat, deadlift, and split squat are above the optimal range. This leads us to the conclusion that this person needs to bring up their back squat 1 RM. As you can see, the incline press and the overhead press are within the optimal range. The red color means that the strength ratio is below optimal range. For the upper body, the dip and the chin up both are too weak, so they need to work on that.